Okay, here's my fish tank now. I got it used. And I'm getting a new, well, I've already got the new tank. And I'm getting a new stand. And I'll show you what's under this one. Oh, as you can tell, I took the balloon mollies that I had to the pet store. And I went back to goldfish. And there's one of the little ones. And another little one. And I'll show you. The top of this looks terrible. There's just a light I've put up there because the other one messed up. And you know, it's just, I don't like that lid. It's all beat up. And there was a crack in that stuff, and I put some JB Weld on it. And I just don't like the green glass. Hopefully I'll like, the green glass is thick. So it's tough. So hopefully the other one will be alright, and I'll show you what's under it. A mess. I just piled everything there. It's even stuff that's not fish tank related. And so I'll have an enclosed stand that I ordered from, what do you call it, Wayfair? They had a big sale toward the end of the year, so I'll get it in a couple days and it'll be on this video too. Okay, here's the box my new one come in. It's out here on the back porch, so let's go inside and see my new setup. Okay, there it is. And I'm just loving it. They look so much better with the clear glass. They actually look bright orange. Yeah, and my little balloon mollies, some of them died. I don't know if it's old age or what. And the ones that were left, I just took to the pet store. Because I wanted to go back to goldfish, but I miss the cute little mollies too. So one day if I get more energy, I might end up with a tank with at least a couple of mollies. And okay, I'll show you the lids. They're kind of flimsy and got the LED, but they're not heavy and clunky. So, and it's got the little door. And one thing I like, you can take this out, well, for my filter that came with it, you take out the big section and you can put it back. Or you can take out the little section if that's what you need. I like that. I like the lid really, and the light's great in it. I'm wanting to see if my plants will do better, but I don't know about LED light. So this filter's got a light that lets you know when it needs changed. Let me see if I can get this off. And there's what it looks like. I put my 2 old sponges in there because they got the good bacteria, and I think those things are supposed to get the good bacteria in them. Let's see if we can see it flowing in. Well, not really. And I'll show you the boxes over here. There's a box for the Quiet Flow 75 Aquarium Power Filter. And it'll do up to 90 gallons, so that's good. Because mine's 55 gallons. Oh, but I forgot to mention, I've got my 2 old filters in there. They are very, very quiet. And this one, you can hear the water running. I don't notice it, but some days I might. I don't know. But of course the water looks clean because a lot of it's fresh water. Oh, and I gotta work this in. This is not the heater that came with the tank. This is a better heater, so I'm hanging on to the new one just in case I need it one day. But these fish, you know, they don't really have to be real warm, so I ain't that worried about it. And the regular one will probably get them too hot, so I just don't want them to get really, really cold when we turn the heat down at night, so that's why I've got it in there, and it won't get too hot because I can set it on what I want it to be. So that's one of the good things about that one. And then I got Wayfair was having a sale on their stands, and I got this one, and it's got like a let me move this chair. It's got like the metal X thing. I love this stand. I love my fish tank. I'm so happy. And this was a Christmas gift for my boyfriend. And so I've got my things hidden in there and all my good plug-ins. And yeah, I'm thrilled with it. Very, very happy. I told him I wish I'd went to Clear Tank a while back, but I'm such a tightwad, you know, I didn't. And so for Christmas he pulled up with a fish tank. But the stand I had, it left a gap right there under the tank, and I've heard that can cause them to crack or bust or whatever they do. So had to get a new stand. So there's my little fish babies, and we can watch them grow. And I hope I told you everything I wanted to tell you about this. And there's my mirror I done in one of my videos. I'll try to remember to put a link, because it used to just be plain kind of silver, and it looks magnified through the tank. And I was thinking about putting a background, but I think in this small room it might make the room look a little more open if I don't. So and I'm thinking I may slide it. See, I left a gap. I may slide it on down so that this is past that. But I would have to wait for a serious water change. So, I don't know. They're saying they're starving to death. I think they're lying. Anyway, they lie to me all the time. And I'm going to move that bowl thing. I just got it set up. So, you know, I don't... My plants I'll probably leave there. Some on that end. And some on that end. And, what do you call it? Jungle Val. And it's supposed to be planted in substrate. But that's a little thing that tomatoes come in. And I put some of that black sponge in it and put them in there. And they're doing pretty good. I mean, I've had to trim them. They go like the whole length. And I figure if I trim them, I'll get more new shoots. Plus, you know, they don't have substrate, so they might... And I trim them with my fingernail. I heard that cutting them, they don't do good. I don't know. Kind of tearing them, you know. That's what I've been doing. And I don't know if that's true or not. And sometimes I'll put those plant tabs, like poke it down. Now this is a basket plant come in. I'll just poke the little thing down in there, but it smells a lot like iron. And I think I've heard iron's bad for fish, so I got to study on that. But anyway, just want to share this with y'all. Bye, y'all.